Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. This video will be about Teespring. Teespring is an online platform where people can create custom and sell custom designed products like t-shirts, hoodies and mugs and more. It's easy to design, you can add it to a product and set its price. Teespring will handle the production and shipping of the product and you will receive a percentage of the sale as a profit. So you can start creating your design and selling it by clicking on start creating. So as I said, Teespring will handle the shipping and all the information. The only thing that you are doing is creating the designs and putting it on your website. So after creating an account, here we have the home, menu, the dashboard. So Teespring also offers tools that helps you to promote your products on social media and track your sales. And it's a great option for anyone looking to start a side hustle selling custom merchandise without the hassle of managing products and shipping. So the website looks stuck. Here you need to verify your email address. So you can sell anywhere: pop-up shop, YouTube, Instagram, OnlyFans, Twitch, Linktree, and those are some quick actions. You can create your first product, you can edit your store or run a sale from here. So here you create product. Here we have the upgrades. Here we have affordable merch design. We have integrations, course, Kajabi. So you can here purchase a custom domain, or you connect to a domain, or let's click on buy a new domain to see. So here you search your domain. Depending on the name of your business, domain madara.com is taken, and you can see other domains to set up. This is for $50 per year. This is $38 per year, and others. So here we have the analytics, statistics of your website, the selling, the came out, profits, and others. So I didn't start my business, I only created my account few minutes before, and we have here the listing. We have nothing here, so your products will be shown here, and here to edit your store and to see how your store will look to customers. This is the link of your store. We have the name to edit it, the domain, connect to existing domain for $12 per year, or purchase a new domain. We have here the social profiles. You can link it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and others. Here we have the payout. Your payout amount will be shown here to withdraw it. So here we have the purchases, the payment methods, subscriptions, the purchase history, and here we have tools and service, the promotions, the pricing discount, tracking pixel. We have integration here, all integration, OnlyFans, pop-up shop, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, and Linktree. So let's head to the settings. Here, the basic settings, we have the information settings, change your info, we have your name, we have the display name, phone number, you can add your phone number here. We have advanced settings, the launch preference, display, share options after launching. After each launch, show step-by-step flow to easily share your products with potential buyers. Product listing displays preference, and we have change your default address. You can put your address here, the street, apartment, the city, the state, and the zip code. You can verify your address. We have here the country, the default time zone, the currency. Here we have the email. If you wanted to change your email, you enter the new email address and confirm it. We have the password. You can enter the current password, the new one, and you confirm the new one. Connected account, like I said before, Facebook and Google, TikTok, and others. Set your PayPal address here, requested email address, and re-enter requested email address for PayPal account. Here we have Pioneer setting. You can access this option once you have funds available to request a payout. We have the two-factor settings here. You can enable it or disable it per email or per app. So this is your account. This is the dashboard, Spring policies. You can sign out from here. So I don't see where to delete your account. So this account is undeletable. Once you have created an account, you can't delete it. And I think I gave you all the informations needed to start your business, except creation of products. I forgot. So you click on create a design. You are a designer, don't ask me about it. So you upload your design, choose the measurements, and put it on mugs and orders. So here we have the best sellers slide, weekend thoughts. Those are the simple things that you can add your design on them. Yeah, this is for pitch. And I think this is all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.